Welcome to 1 Minute English. In today's vocabulary session, we are going to study next 5 pair of confusing words. First pair is career versus carrier. Career means your profession or long-term work life. For example, if we want to make a good career, we must work hard. Carrier is someone or something that transport things. For example, the goods were taken to the destination on a public carrier. Always remember, career is a job or profession, carrier is that move things. Let's understand the difference between confident versus confident. Both are similar sounding words but different meaning. Confident with E means being sure or certain about something. For example, I am very confident of my friend's success in the interview. Confidant means a person you share your secrets with. For example, once he's confident, now Dinesh is the enemy of his mentor. Always remember, be confident in yourself and careful with your confidant, as confident means to be sure and confident is a secret keeper. Compliment and compliment sound similar but they have different meanings. Compliment means to praise. For example, I complimented her on her success. Compliment with E means to complete or go well with. For example, husband and wife compliment each other. Always remember, compliment with I is praise and compliment with E completes. Let's understand the difference between cannon versus cannon. Cannon with double N means a large gun. For example, cannons were fired in war. Canon with single S is a principle, a law, or a rule. For example, canons of any religions are not easy to follow. Always remember, canon with one N means law or principle, with two N's means weapon. Let's understand the difference between creditable versus credible versus credulous. Credible means deserving praise. It is really creditable for a village boy to top the university. Credible means believable or trustworthy. For example, your excuse is not credible. Credulous means too easy in believing, being naive or gullible. For example, children are credulous by nature. Always remember, creditable is praiseworthy, credible means believable, and credulous means gullible, naive, or easy to convince. I hope you understood the difference. If you do, subscribe to my channel.